The early bird ticket holders will be given 4 dots. We have red, yellow, blue, and green, and they will be numbered. From 1 to 2 p.m., they will have the opportunity to pick their cards first by placing a dot like this on the label. These cards will stay up here until after the ribbon cutting. Then they can be removed, and you would just take the card down. It is up here with ticky tack, as you can see. You take the card down, and if they have more cards on the board, you gather those together, and either you or a runner will run it over to the cashier. And at that place, they will take care of the next job. Thank you.